can't sleep? Counting sheep not doing the trick? Introducing the reverse alarm clock. The world's first clock designed to not wake you up, but knock you out. At a randomly chosen moment, the reverse alarm clock activates and launches a soft, sleep-inducing, lavender-scented pillow directly at your head. You'll never see it coming. And that's the point.
Jacksonville. The community. Duval. I just had the greatest night of sleep ever.
I've been using the reverse alarm clock for the last 3 years of my life, and it has made many improvements. I have nothing but good things to say about it. Go get yours for $54.99.